Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today we're going to talk about the R sound again. We're going to talk about the difference between bunched and retroflex tongue position for the R sound. I've already made videos on how to produce the bunched and the retroflexed R. You should definitely watch both of those. But in this video, I wanted to put all the information in one place with extra visuals to explain the difference. One of the things that makes the R sound so challenging is that people do produce the R in different ways. Some do bunched, some do retroflexed, and some use a combination of both depending on the context. So it makes it kind of tricky. Let's talk about the bunched R first because it's more common. I'm going to put some visuals on the screen so you can see what happens in the mouth when someone produces the bunched R. When you produce bunched R, the back sides of your tongue are lifted up to the insides of your back teeth. The middle back part of your tongue body, is tight and tense. Your tongue tip pulls back and may point down a little. Now we're going to look at the retroflex tongue position. When you produce the retroflex R, your tongue tip lifts and curls back. The sides of your tongue are up as well. Now look at the bunched tongue next to the retroflex tongue. Can you see the difference? Watch my mouth. I'm going to do the bunched and then the retroflex position. We'll do bunched first. Watch my tongue as it moves up and back for the bunched R. Now, watch my tongue for the retroflex position. Watch as my tongue tip curls back. To help you see the difference, let's look at these tongue models. This is a bunched tongue, and this is a retroflex tongue. You'll notice that both bunched and the retroflex tongue positions require the back sides of the tongue to be lifted. But the bunched R bunches the tongue back up in the mouth, and the retroflexed R curls the tip back. I'm going to show you the bunched R again with the tongue model, and I'm going to open my mouth extra wide. Now I'm going to show you the retroflexed R. Now that you know the difference between bunched and retroflexed R positions, you can practice them and see which one works best for you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you understand the difference between the bunched and the retroflex tongue positions for the R sound. I have tons of other videos for the R sound. How-to videos, a video about taco tongue position, tension videos, so check all my videos out at peachiespeechie.com/videos. And you know you're gonna want this fantastic workbook for the R sound, over 300 pages, and it's super helpful. You can also get t-shirts, coffee mugs, all kinds of great things at peachiespeechie.com, so check it all out. Josh came up with a rap about the bunched R, so we're going to do that for you now. Are you ready? Push the back sides up and make it tense. Follow along and it will all make sense.